Would you like to know if Boxycharm is a subscription box for you? And also, would you like to know if you should invest your money in BOXYLUXE? Well, then this is a video for you, because in this video, I'm not only going to be showing you the products that came on my BOXYLUXE of the month of March, but I'm also going to be trying them on. In fact, I just did this makeup that I have right now. It is using those products. So if you want to know a little bit more about Boxycharm, BOXYLUXE, and see what we have this month, then stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. As you saw by the title of the video, today I'm going to be showing you and talking about and trying my BOXYLUXE for the month of March. But before I show you the products and we do everything else, I gotta tell you a couple of things. First, in case you don't know about Boxycharm, it is a subscription box where you pay $21 a month and you receive 4 to 5 full-size products. I do have reviews of regular Boxycharm. In fact, last month I did the review of the regular Boxycharm the last 2 months. I do have a bunch of them, so I'm gonna leave you a little link over here in case you want to check out, the previous Boxycharms or the regular Boxycharm boxes. Today I'm going to be showing you and talking about BOXYLUXE. And BOXYLUXE, what it is basically an upgrade that Boxycharm created a couple of months ago, where you can now receive this bigger box with more products. It's supposed to have a little bit more of luxury brands, and of course you receive more products, but of course you also have to pay a little bit more. So this box costs $50 and a regular Boxycharm costs $21. However, BOXYLUXE will receive it every 3 months. The previous one was in December. I actually recorded that video as well in case that you're looking into upgrading to BOXYLUXE and see if it's worth it for you. So I'm going to also leave you a little card over here to check out if you want to see other BOXYLUXE that I unboxed before. And then another thing I have to tell you is that the way I do this video is I like to show you how the products look on me and how they work. So I just did my makeup and I used most of the products, at least the products that I could use from the box. And that is so I can tell you how they work, how they look. I can show you the way I usually do it, and I'm not sure how I'm going to do it today. If the video is a little bit too long, then I will include clips while I'm talking about the products. But if I can do it like as a mini tutorial at the end of the video, sometimes I do it that way. I'll leave you a little note over here to check out if you want. So I'll leave you a little note over here in case you want to know which way I'm going to be doing it, or if you're only interested in seeing me using the products and creating this look. Anyways, let's just start right away. Another thing that we receive every month is a little card with information about the products, but then also it has the theme of the month, which kind of gives you an idea of what's in the box, and a little bit maybe even of the colors of the products that are in the box sometimes, I would say. And then the other side, we have information on the products, the cost, and all of that. So I'm going to start right away with the first product that I tried today. Actually, it is by the brand Wonder Beauty. I was super excited to try this product. This one is called the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This mask retails for $34. It has 2.02 ounces of product, which is actually really nice. I tried it today and I felt that I don't know, I'm not sure if it actually brightened my skin. I don't think it really did much of that, but I love peel off masks because you can also kind of help exfoliate, remove any kind of little dead skin that could be on your skin. For example, I had a little thing that it was coming up over here and I could see the flaking of the skin in there. So after I took off the mask, I didn't see it anymore, which was amazing. So I'll be excited to try it a little bit more and see how it works. But for now, all I can tell you is that it feels nice. It didn't irritate my skin, which I have very sensitive skin, so that was good about it. And then I'm going to continue maybe with a couple of products that I actually didn't try today. One of them is this little what do you call this? It is a train case. So it's basically one of those bags that you use to store your makeup, or for travel. If you don't want to use it for makeup, you can use it maybe for beauty products or anything like that. It's actually really cute. It has a little like a cute pattern, and the color is also really nice. It's kind of like a coppery, kind of like between coppery and rose gold color. So it is really nice. I like that, and it retails for $20. that is all about that product. Then we received also a pair of lashes, and this is by the brand Lily Lashes. They look really nice, and I know Lily Lashes is one of those super popular like lash brands. This one retails for $24.99. I didn't use it today because two reasons. I don't really like false lashes very much, and then also I don't know how to use them, which might actually be the reason why I don't like them. So that will be a product that I sadly cannot use. But you know, if you use it as something nice to receive, I know it's a good brand, and I know people who like lashes or who use lashes on a regular basis love those. At least I've heard of them for a while. Another product that I didn't get to try, I actually wanted to do my nails last night, but I didn't have the time. If I were to do it, I would use this nail polish, and it is a nail polish duo that we received. I'm super excited for this one, believe it or not. This is by the brand wait, what is this? Oh, this is by the brand Deborah Lipman. It says that it gives you the effect of gel polish without the damage of the gel polish. So that'll be interesting. I know it's a popular brand for nail polishes that is a little bit more expensive. This little duo, it is very small, just so you know, and it retails for $20. So, you know, that is nice. And then I have, let's see what we're going to continue with. There's so many good products here. Okay, we're going to continue now with a skincare product that, to be honest, it is the main reason why I continue with BOXYLUXE. I was kind of doubting to do it this month because not all the products that are here excited me, and the ones that excited me the most were already on a regular Boxycharm, except this one. And I am so super excited. This is the Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream moisturizer. So the thing with this is that I received a decent size sample from Sephora a little while ago, and I've been using it for maybe like a month or even a little bit more, and I really liked it. I feel like it's a really good moisturizer. So it's supposed to have like anti-aging and rejuvenating properties, which is something that is really nice. And so I have been liking it a lot. It doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't feel too heavy. It is a little bit on the thicker side, and I will show you. Actually, this is what it looks like in the little bottle, which is actually pretty big. So it is like pretty thick. At least the consistency feels and it looks like that, but on the face, on the skin, I feel like it absorbs pretty fast, so I do like that. So after that, I did my eyes, and I was using the Morphe 15D eyeshadow palette. This palette, I gotta be honest, I wasn't so excited to receive it. I did have a Morphe palette before, the Jaclyn Hill one, but I wasn't too fond of it. I actually never even used it. I don't know what is it, but I don't know. Morphe palettes don't really excite me so much because most of them, except that one, which I never even used anyways, but most of them have just kind of like the same colors on them. So this is what the palette looks like, and as you see, it's very warm, which I love warm colors, but at the same time, it's just a lot of browns and orangey colors, which I already have in other palettes. So to me, it's kind of like, it's nice, but it's not a big deal. However, if we want to talk a little bit about the formula, I will say that the mattes especially are a little bit powdery, but they're easy to work with. They blended really nice. And then so these are some of the shimmers, which also look really nice, very, you know, glowy, very shimmery. On the eyes, it went super easy. They're very pigmented, so I didn't feel like I had to apply so much or like a couple of layers to feel like it looked, you know, like it looks on the pan. So I did like that. I was really excited for the look today. I don't know what you guys think, but I do like that part. So at the end, bottom line, it is a nice eyeshadow palette, even though in my case personally I wasn't so excited for it, but it ended up being a very good quality palette. I don't know if I told you how much it retails for. I think I forgot. It retails for $16. So now I'm going to pass with the next product that I used today, and it is a brow product. This one that comes in this little packaging. It is called the Iconic Eyebrow Cushion, which is really interesting formula. For me, it was the first time using this product, and I'm going to show you, get a little closer to show you. So this is how the product comes in, and it has a little top over here because it's kind of liquidy, so I imagine if it doesn't have that, it could get a little messy. And as you see, we have two different colors. So one of them is like a lighter color. I imagine if you have lighter skin tone or lighter eyebrows, you will use that one. And then we have this color over here that is one of those pretty universal colors. It looks like a dark brown, but on my eyebrows actually looks kind of black, to be honest. And then it comes with this little brush thing, which I actually used today. And the brush is fine, it works okay. It is a little short, so it makes it a little bit hard to apply. I do have to say that I did struggle a little bit because this product is a little bit more on the liquid side. So there's two things with that. First, I don't have a lot of experience using product like this, and then second, I felt like since I have a lot of natural lashes and a lot of hairs on my lashes, it is a little bit more difficult to work with the product, or maybe even not difficult, maybe it's just tricky to work with the product that is a little bit more liquidy. Alright, so next I have this palette, which I was so super excited for this palette, and this one comes in a regular Boxycharm as well, or came in a regular Boxycharm for this month. But what happened to me was that even though they have a test or a quiz that you have to do, for some reason, I guess they had a mistake or something. I got an email from them saying that they sent me the light to medium, which, I was like, really? Boxycharm, come on. So this product, believe it or not, it actually worked a little, it worked okay on my skin. The blush, it shows very well. I am wearing it. And then the contour as well, I was surprised. I was very disappointed to receive this, but it does show a little bit. It's not the darkest kind of contour. Maybe you would even call it bronzer, even though to me it's a little bit cool tone to be a bronzer, but it does show my skin. So if you're my skin tone lighter, it will show on you. If you're darker than me, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't. The blush, I think it does, and it probably could be a little bit brighter. I didn't even apply that much. We have two highlighters and we have a brightener. One of them is a little bit more like a golden highlight, and then the other one is a little bit more on the pinky side. The brightener is just kind of like a whitish highlighter or brightener. So I would say the palette overall, it is a decent, nice palette. And then I have to tell you how much it costs. It retails for where is it? It retails for $45, and it is by the brand Cover FX. And the next product we have, it is this Moda brush duo, and it is called the Powder and Soft Glow Kit. It retails for $29.99. I used them today. This is how they both look like, which is actually very, very cute. I think Moda brushes are sold on Walmart and maybe even Target, I think. They actually feel very, very soft. I used this one for the finishing powder, which I forgot to say, the finishing powder from the Cover FX. It's okay, but it does have a little bit of shimmer in it, which I don't like for a finishing powder. I have oily skin, so I don't like that. But the brushes are very, very nice. This one I used to set in my concealer and then also for highlight. It is super soft. It is super nice. Very, very easy for highlight. It just, it's nice and easy and cute. So I do like this a lot. I wasn't really expecting anything about it. I was just like, more brushes, whatever. But I do like him, and I think I will be using it for sure. I think I said already how much it retails, so that is it for the brushes. They're just really good brushes, I think. And then the last product that I tried today, even though I took it off because it doesn't go with my look, but I tried this lipstick that I received by the brand Becca, and this is the Ultimate Lipstick Love. It retails for $24, and it says it is a moisturizing 8-hour long-wear silky satin lip color. This one is in the color Tulip. So the color is really nice. It's kind of like a nice nudie pink color, totally my kind of color for everyday. So I do like it. It's just like I said, it didn't match with my look, so I took it off because of that. But it is a very, very nice lipstick. It feels very comfortable, very moisturizing. So that it's actually, let's add up how much the value of the box is before we end this video. So let me do it real quick. So this is the value of the box for this month. As you see, it's $301.98. Definitely over the $50 that BOXYLUXE, or that you pay for BOXYLUXE. And that was it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to keep watching more videos like this. Remember that I also have makeup tutorials and other kind of videos. If you want to check them out, I'm going to leave you a little card over here. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. Love you a lot, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!